ugima wa mwiri kuma county tiganite ni moganite muno wa Machakos ari mucemanio wa gucaria njira ya kwagirithia sekta ya ugima wa mwiri bururi-ini kuria muikariri giti wa gikundi giki Meri Muthoni atugiirie itua ria Atumia ari gutigira ni mathie thibitari na kuigirika hari cliniki ciao ciothe riri moha nda.
2 years and as a country, we are moving away from more curative to preventive and promotive. So vaccination is one of the preventive way for children.
Mutongoria uyu wa maabitha a ugima wa mwiri ni augite itua ria atumia aingi gwitikira kuhimbiria mubango wa guthiaga na kuonana na ndagitari riri moha nda ni njira imwe ya kumagitira ona ciana ciao na ni undu mwega kuona atumia aingi ni mahimbiirie ndeto ino mugaru na uria wari hau kabere kuria atumia maheagirwo ciana mucii.
8% of our women really have been attended and 66% completing at least 4 visits in hospital. Many a times when women get pregnant, wanasema mimba itajibeba, yeah. But when we have there's something that is happening in your body. Are there infections that may affect the body, affect the unborn child? And we can see 66% of these have attended at least 4 visits before they gave birth.
Ona gukiria uguo gikundi giki ni kugite bururi wa Kenya uri thutha muno hari guthaitira atumia aria mohete nda hamwe na ciana ciao kuona ati namba ya ciana iria cikuaga igiciaro na atumia aria makuaga makigia ciana ndiri iranyihanyiha na mitaratara mieru ni ibatie kugathikwo niguo guthaitira mioyo ino.
However, despite this improvement, there is a setback because the maternal mortality ratio remains very high, with 2019 population having 355 deaths in we can lose the 70 in 100, but right now we are still at 355, which is really high.
Nake Birono mutari wa sekta ya ugima wa mwiri wa afishini ya mutongoria wa bururi Ndagitari William Ruto ni athinyireirie atumia hamwe na muingi kuhimbiria mitaratara iria ikiragwo ni maabitha niguo kwigitagira.
It is paramount to know that His Excellency has health as a big agenda in his heart, and it's not just about providing healthcare, it's about providing quality healthcare. As we know, we have several bills that were passed that are now acts, and the process of regulation is going on. But it's important to note that as we provide these services to the people, to the grassroots, in the spirit of bottom-up economic transformation agenda, it is important that